Push potties are the new standard for mobile restrooms. Each push potty comes standard with friendly staff, is fully air conditioned, on-site generator, waterless chemicalized urinals, leg flush handles, automatic soap dispenser, automatic hand-free faucets, hand towels, garbage chutes.